Kaka-open ko lang ng package from Spectrum, guys. So, Spectrum is happening again this week. And you can find them on Instagram, Spectrum Fair Manila. And here is a preview of what you can find at their bazaar for this week. So, we have something from Lick. Ito, I've seen this a couple of times sa mga supermarkets. I've never tried it before. Pero it looks like it's super masarap. Nasa glass bottle pa siya, or glass, yeah, bottle. Bongga. So, you can find that there. We also have something from the brand Gourmet Zin. Or Zin, finishing salt, garlic and chili salt. And then we have this one from Whisk, salad dressings, dips and sauce, raspberry vinaigrette for your salads. And then we have here from ano to, Mimo. So lagayan siya ng stuff sa loob. Ang cute. Coin purse. Ito magkasama to from Scenic Daily Co. Lemongrass and ginger, ceramic disc and bonus atomizer. That's so cool. Bongga for the bahay. This one is familiar kasi I've tried their scents before. Rose and Alp. Thank you. May pangalan pa, oh. Ito super cute. From Holland Stern. Maliit siyang water bag. O, diba, for your electronics for when you're gonna go to the beach or whatever. Then we have a bag tag. Cute. Pineapple. Tapos, ang pinaka-favorite ko, for Kainu, charcoal pee pads. Ayan. Di ba si Kainu? Lagi siya nagpee pad. Pero this ones are charcoal pads from Popaholic PH. Spectrum PH. More pads here. So again, if ever you're interested sa lahat ng mga to, you can find them at the upcoming Spectrum Bazaar this week. I'll have the details in the information box. Ito pa pala from Solasta. Ang cute! Yung mga oversized pins. 90s pins. So cute. Ang ganda-ganda ng punong to. Oh. So pretty. Walking to the car. We're gonna go buy some stuff for the island muna. Again, this is a rental car from Hertz Philippines, or pwede rin kayo mag-Thrifty Philippines. But this one I got from Hertz. So, kahapon ko siya nakuha. It's a brand new car. So, super bongga. Also, super convenient for when you don't have a car and then you need to run some errands or kailangan nyo lang may trip kayo or something. Ayan, sobrang okay siya. Love it. Bongga pa rin yung lashes ko from Brauhaus Manila. Although, tanggal yung isa dito. Pero overall, I love it. Still bongga. So we're here at Tanya to have lunch, and I ordered my favorite cold brew. So similar sa UCC na Kori Kohi. And then you just pour milk like this. Wow, this is so good. My favorite. Yum! Oh my gosh, this is my chicken teriyaki. The isobe cheese over here, and then ito yung tofu. Yum, yum, yum. We're here! Punta na tayo sa... Kain mo, sit down. Punta na tayo sa Talisay Port. Can you sit down for mommy? Sit, sit! Oy, sus. Kaimu! Kaimu! Walang sit down si Kaimu. Alright guys, so lahat ng mga magpa-parking or mag-overnight sa Napayong Island, dito tayo magpa-park. Villa Manalo Beach Resort. So, dyan lahat. Okay, it's 100 pesos for one day of parking or overnight parking. Pero dun yung dock. Okay? Again, this car is from Hertz Philippines. And dami namin kinarga kasi ang dami kailangan din sa island stuff. And then, pillows. Hi! Si Kaimu. Hi, Baba! May damit yan kasi kagabi nilalamig yan. Ngayon suot niya. That's our boat. Bongga. So, karga muna lahat. And then, yan. We're gonna spend another night at Napayong Island. Sakay ka na sa boat, Baba? Ay, mga friend, di kaya mong goat. Oh, kaya mong di yan, doggy. Ito na yung boat. Yay. Oh, si Kaimu. Nako, malaglag ka dyan. Captain Kaimu. Hi. Tapang ni Kay mo, pumunta sa harap. Malakas ng alon. Paghapon kasi malakas ng alon sa lawa. Ano, paano ka babalik, Baba? Gusto mo yung lubid. Daming floating fish cage, yung pinapakain ng mga kuya, yung mga alaga nila. Dami, lawak. Wow. Okay, so we're back here sa island, and here's another tent option for you guys. It's so nice, look. It's from the brand Quechua. Look at that. Ang ganda. It's so open. Hindi open ha, pero para siyang mas airy. May airflow ng bongga. Ang ganda nito. We're gonna sleep here tonight. Okay, so that's another option for you guys. Pakita ko lang. Bukas ko ikaklaro lahat ng mga option ninyo. So, magsa-sunset na. Actually, nag-set na yung sun. Super ganda. Nagbi-meeting lang kami sa taas. And then here's another option. Yung mud house naming isa, which is on the works pa. In the works. Inaayos pa yan. Nagtatanim na rin ng mga plants. Ang dami nang tinatanim dito. So, all around yan. Ayan. Ito na si Koi Moo. You wait for Mama, okay? We're gonna eat. We're gonna eat soon. You wait lang. Sobrang sarap ng tulog ko, guys. I love this tent. Oh my gosh. Ang lamig pa pagising ko. Super. I love it. Anyway, this is one of the tents that you can rent out. I'll have all the details in the information box, or if you want full details, I'll email you. So just email me, and then lahat naman nag-email sa akin, sinasend ko full details about Napayang Island. Hi, Moo! Kakatapos ko lang magwalis. So, every morning nagwawalis kami ng mga ganito, mga leaves. So, pile-pile yan. Hanggang doon. Nag-ano ko pati yung stairs. Nangyinis ko rin. Pile. 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 Look at the stairs. It's so clean. So, pile-pile din yan. Watering the plants. You wanna say hi? Hi! Hi! Whoa! Nagpapaawa. We're home, guys. So, nag-scooter kami nung binalik yung car sa Hertz. So, nag-scooter papuntang SM Ora kasi bumili kami ng groceries. Right now, I'm gonna cook up Kaimu's food kasi ubos na yung ano niya. Ang lasa kinain niya is salmon kasi nga wala na kaming beef. But we have beef cubes, we have gizzard, and then we have some atay. So, iba kasi ang diet ni Kaimu, nakakaloka. Kailangan niya talaga ng food. So, ayan. And then, from the Zambales trip naman with Sasa, may ginawa si Arla na sobrang sarap na salad. So, I'm gonna replicate it or actually follow the recipe. So, we have tahini, we have garbanzos. Basta sobrang, oh my gosh, girl, I'm so excited kasi gusto ko na matikman ulit yung salad na yun. So, we have lettuce, ganyan. She sent me the recipe via Instagram. So if you guys want it, you can just message her. Thank you so much, Arla. Plant-based Pinay or plant-based Filipina ba yun? I'll just have it here. Natanggal pala yung isang nail ko, nakakaloka. We're making the salad na ginawa ni Arla sa Sasa na event. So we have chickpeas, we have lettuce. Ito, oh my gosh, super sarap. Anyway, I'll just have the recipe sa, sa Instagram ni Arla. Yay! Those are cranberries. Tapos may celery, may mustard, lemon, red onions, and tahini. Tahini na bili namin sa Healthy Options. Yan. Oh my gosh. Yum! Kaya mo yung alsam? Ang dami mo nang kinain, baby. Ang sarap. Thank you, Anna. Time to work. Mag-edit na muna ako, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye!